Should be live. I think I'm live. I hope I'm live. I don't know if anyone can hear me. Should probably check that, huh? Let's, public view. Can anybody hear me? Let's see. Hasn't hit the stream yet, so I'll have to see. Okay. I can't hear anything. Is that because I'm not plugged in? Hasn't hit the stream yet, so
Oh, wait, no, I hear
I'll
me.
have to see. My... It was turned down. Okay. I can't hear anything. Is that because I'm not plugged in? Oh,
I'm still really
hasn't hit
quiet,
the stream
though.
yet, so
Oh, wait, no, I hear
I'll
me.
have to see. Okay, hold up. Let's mute that because otherwise it's gonna... Anyway, so I am here doing stuff. No shit, right? Okay, I can see my live stream now. Theoretically, people can hear me. If you can't hear me, let me know. I'll fix my audio settings or something. But, in the meantime, I'm going to find some music to play in the background real quick. Royalty-free music, of course, because, you know, why would I not do that? I'm a nice person. Gotta find it, though. Royalty-free... Here we go. Alright, this is coming to you from Ross Bugden. No one's in the stream right now, so I guess I really can't ask you if it's okay. But we'll just put it at that level. This is not gonna hold up. I'm gonna find. Oh, here we go. He is the one who I thought. Okay, I gotta subscribe to him. So remember to use him, and we're gonna go to Epic royalty-free music and just play. Alright. So, in the background while I look around Visual Studio. Yay! Okay, so if you're joining in. You're not, but if you were, you wouldn't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly, so. Basically what I'm doing is I'm using the built-in tools on Visual Studio to explore C# and .NET. I don't have a lot of experience with C# or .NET. I've used them a little bit, as you can see over here, but not a whole lot of experience. I could be doing this in Windows 10. Why am I doing this in Windows 10? Anyway, so, and I noticed, I was watching Barnacle-Lee's Codegasm videos, and he showed that you can scroll through the tooltips and see what overloaded functions do and what they return. It's really, really, really cool. So, I figured I would use that to, to explore the framework and stuff. So, this is a little bit distracting while I talk, so be a little bit quiet. Let's turn down my volume. There we go. Okay. So yeah, Ross Bugden. I've used him before while I've streamed video games and stuff. I don't stream a lot, so but he's got some good music that I can just play. But I'm gonna give him a shout out. I can't do it, so at least I can do it, right? Jump right into responded. Show up. Well, in that case, we'll just start this. Alright, so I'm gonna make a new file, new project. So check YouTube stuff. Right, we'll make it a so I have Ultimate. I have Visual Studio Ultimate. I got it for free through,
Gabby,
What happened to your face?
where the girls?
They're asleep upstairs.
Hurry up and go pack their stuff.
Why do you have a gun?
Look, Michael, whatever you're going through, there's a way out.
Mike, Mike?
Look, Michael, we get...
Sit down.
That's the problem, though, is I'm gonna have... I could turn on AdBlock Plus, I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on AdBlock Plus. I'm sorry, Ross Bug, you might have to turn it on, otherwise I'm gonna get ads throughout this entire thing, and it's gonna be bad. Let me switch real quick. But I will turn it off after I'm done, I promise. Anyway, so I have Visual Studio Ultimate 2013. I got it from DreamSpark for free, which is awesome. Thank you, Microsoft, for giving me free stuff. I like it. I also got Windows 8.1 for free from them, and it's great. So console application, because you can actually add things on later, so it's not a big deal, but console gives us the bare bones of what we need. Oh, someone's in stream. Okay, so you can't hear me at all over the music. Let me figure out what's wrong with my microphone. Microphone settings. Hello. Properties. Levels. Let's just boost that as high as I can go. Alright, I've boosted it as high as I can go now, so if you guys can't hear me now, it looks like it's a lot louder than it was. I can't tell that because I can't hear myself. Let me know if it's not loud enough still. Anyway, so console application, good stuff. And this is what we get. We get all these using up here. These are, if you've used C++, they're the same as, well, they are pre-processing directives as far as I know. They work the same way. Let's just start out by, you know, hello world, sanity check, make sure everything's working correctly. If it's not working correctly, then we're screwed, right? So we'll build. I'm just gonna run them through here. Oh wait, I have to. Okay. Start. Alright, hello world. So it is working now. Everything is working. That's better. That's not awesome. Sweet. I don't like how it scroll. The comments in my feed appear to go the opposite of what Twitch comments do. So sorry, I'm confusing myself. Alright, so everything's working. Now I don't have a script. I should have made a script or something before I started this, but or at least something to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Solution Explorer and I'm going to do properties. No, that's not right. That's not what I wanted. Bad. Solution Explorer, references, and add reference. We're going to look at the framework's libraries and find something that we want to work with. So there's system.drawing, which is always fun. We could, you know, that's probably our best bet. But let's look at some other stuff first. There's HTTP stuff. I'm not comfortable enough with it to do that. Compression stuff. That's interesting stuff. Security. Web. I think we're probably going to go with drawing because that stuff's easy to work with probably. We're going to go ahead and add speech too, just, you know, because speech is fun. We'll I think numerics will give us something similar to NumPy from Python. So I wish it... Oh, wait, does it? No, it doesn't have any information on it. So we'll do drawing, and we'll do drawing design. I don't know what the differences are, but we'll see. We'll do OK. And it will... We'll do using system.drawing and using system.drawing.design. And what else did I grab? I forgot. Oh yeah, using system.speech. Yeah, just system.speech. Now what I can do is I can make a little string. Let's do string. Wait, is it capitalized in this? No, I don't think it's capitalized. String greetings is equal to, and we'll make it like hello world again. And now we can do system.speech.synthesis. Actually, I think I'll only have to do speech.synthesis. That should. Yep. Oh no. What am I missing? Yeah. Okay. I have to do system.speech. And what do you take? You take... Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? Dot. Voice gender, and we can do male or female. We'll make it female. Okay, this is why I have a second window open on my other computer. I wish I could... I used to dual monitor with this computer, but my power supply is dying, so I can't do that. So, we're going to search for system.speech. You know, actually, better yet, I'm going to go to github.com/Barnacles. Barnacles is awesome. And we're going to go into his repositories, we're going to CodeGasm, and his Jarvis app. That will show us everything I need to know. Okay, system.speech. Okay, I see what I did wrong. I need to dot syn. Oops, I'm still in the wrong freaking computer. Okay. Dot synthesis, and then we can do... Oh, well, then I don't need any of this stuff anymore. I can just do... we can... Okay, so in our global scope, we're going to want to build a speech synthesizer. So we want to do a private static. That means it can be used whether or not you have an instance of that object. Speech synthesizer. Synth is equal to new speech synthesizer, blah, blah, blah. And now we can just do... let's see, I think it's synth.speak. Yep, speak right there, and then we'll just pass in greetings. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this over me or whatever, but it should actually talk to us, which is really cool.
Hello world.
Hey, look, he talked to us. That was amazing. He said hello world. If you guys didn't hear that, he said hello world. Spoilers, that's what the code says. So that's fun. Now we have drawing. Let's mess around with drawing a little bit, I think. Then we'll figure out what we want to do with speech and drawing. You can make a little game, I guess. So... Draw... You know what? Let's try this. Private static... Draw? No? Okay. Now we gotta figure out what's in drawing. I think we can right-click it and... somewhere. There's built-in documentation for Visual Studio. I'm just trying to remember how to use it, because I don't use this stuff very often. Shoot, I might have to just use MSDN. Alright, we'll go to MSDN. MSDN drawing. The graphics class. Okay, it is called the graphics class, which means we need a graphics object. Okay, that's what we need. Graphics. Look at that. Graph is equal to new graphics. Look at that. All right, we're gonna do. I didn't even need. Oh wait, what parameters do you take? Oh, I guess I don't need new graphics. The type system.drawing into graphics is no constructors defined. Okay, let's try. Oh god, that has so many properties and so many methods. That is a lot of well, I mean, obviously it's gonna have a lot of methods, right? Because that'd be silly if it didn't have a lot of methods. Class like this. It's probably more complicated than I expected. Oh, you know what? I think graphics requires... We might have to not have a console application anymore. try this. Graph dot. Let's just try drawing a polygon and like see what it does. A pen. Oh, I bet we have to make a pen. I understand now. So private static pen is equal to new and pen. Now, what do you take as? I guess you don't take anything, do you? What are you expecting? Brush. Frick. Okay, so we need to make a brush as well. So, public static brush is equal to new brush. Oops. So if my typing seems kind of stilted, it's because I have a new keyboard, which is... Oh, ooh. Okay, so there's something wrong here. Gotta figure out what's going on there. Brush. And then float width. We'll do 20.0 because I don't know what the difference is. Oh, what's going on? Oh, that's right. It does a weird thing where I have to put an F afterward, right? Yes. Okay, now we have a pen that can theoretically do stuff. Draw a polygon, pen. What else do you take? Points. Okay. So we just need a... Okay, we need 2 points. So we can do that easily. We can do... I assume a point is just an X and a Y. So we will do a point... 1, I guess, is equal to new point, and that takes... how do I check the overloads? Well, let's make a second point real quick. Point 2. This is the worst naming scheme in the world. Oh, it looks like my stream is messed up. Oh, maybe I just locked up that window. Did I make... Oh, I did make the brush public, you're right. So, my other stream window just died on me, so I need to kill that real quick. Sorry about not responding. I hit tab there, and it's filled out public for some reason. That's actually supposed to be private. It doesn't really matter if it's public or private. We're not worried too much about that. It's not a big deal. But, thanks for pointing it out. It's good practice to keep things private. 2 is new point. And I guess I wish I could figure out how to show the overloads. Hello MSDN. How do I display overloads in Visual Studio? How to show overloads in IntelliSense. Here we go. Control Shift Space. Okay, Control Shift Space. Alright, we want to go over point, and Control Shift Space. No? Control Shift Space. Control Shift Space! Ah! Might be from 2010, is the problem. we're also going to do a point array, an array of points. And they're going to be consist of 1 and 2. There we go. And then we can pass that array points. Okay, what's wrong with you now? Really? Is that what you're expecting? Oh, wait. I'm smart. This isn't Python. Go me. Don't need to declare that. We just need to do pen points. There we go. That's why it was messing up. Alright. So in case you guys didn't catch it, I'm coming from the world of Python, where like none of this makes sense at all. But I have done things with C and C++, so I'm not super out of my depth. Okay, we gotta look up point again because I have no idea what I'm doing. I need that GIF. Page is unresponsive. No, really, Chrome? Thanks. Okay, let's go back over here. MSDN. You know, I should do this on the main screen, honestly. That way people can see the process of figuring stupid stuff out. Oops, I probably should have done this beforehand. Point. Alright, so the point structure, here we go. System.drawing. Alright. So it just takes 2 integers. Okay, that would have been nice to know. You don't have to actually give it. Okay, so let's go back to... So we just need to give it an x and a y, basically. We'll do 20 and 20, and then we'll do 40 and 40. I just realized we're making a polygon, not a line. I meant to draw a line. Oh, because now... Okay, so 1, 2. There we go. Now we can draw a line. Now, I wonder where this is... Theoretically, this is working, so this should compile, right? Oh, no. Nope. Nope. It did not compile. Okay. I have no idea what that means. Value cannot be null. What value cannot be null? Okay. So what can't be null? But this is used. Let's see. Okay. Go away. Here we go. Can you give me a line number? That'd be great if you gave me a line number. Line numbers. Huh. So it's got to be here then. But we didn't... I mean, that should be working fine. Whatever, we'll just kill this. I said it. Kill it. There we go. Yeah, I think the problem is that I have to create a window of some kind, but I don't know how. So, that'll be interesting. I think what I'll do is forget the graphics class for now and go find a new class. So we're just gonna that and Control Shift KC. No. Control K, Control C. There we go. And same for all this stuff. Control K, Control C. And this one is just. Okay. We want to keep the speak in. Now we know it's working, right? But in the meantime, let's go find something. I guess we'll try to work with some HTTP stuff. I think that sounds like fun. Net HTTP, right? Yeah, that should do it. We'll try and get some web pages and stuff. We'll add those. We'll using system dot web. Using system dot web dot HTTP. Right? I think that was it, right? Oh, it's net. Oops, not web. Whatever. Net.http. And using system.net. Okay. So now we have system.net and system.web because yeah, whatever. We'll move you up here. And then we'll make this our region drawing stuff. And then hashtag end region. Enter, and then we can do this. So if we ever want to go back to drawing stuff, we can start drawing stuff. In the meantime, can I generate a region here? Don't think I can. Okay, I'll do it like I did before. All right. Uh-oh. Did my thing crash again? Shoot. That's odd. My Creator Studio thing keeps crashing, so I think I'm gonna have to watch this. I don't know, maybe Mozilla. YouTube.com. Anyway, while that loads up so I can see the chat, I guess I will continue working on stuff. So we have synth.speak. What we'll do is we'll make a little silly... oh, it loaded. Wait. Some stuff loaded a little bit. Well, what loaded? Oh god, what's going on? What is a slate? Slate in. What did I just insert? Probably shouldn't be messing around with my stream. Okay. I'll stop mucking around with the stream. Actually, don't even know if anyone's watching right now because of how this thing's set up. Let's go to... Ooh, I got a subscribe. Someone subscribed to me today. That's awesome. I have 9 whole subscribers now. Videos, channels. No, how do I do this? Video manager. Sorry guys, it's just being kind of obnoxious right now with the whole stream thing and me not being able to read it. Okay. Now can I read what's going on? Okay, I can now read stuff. Awesome. Okay. And it is theoretically... Oh, it's gonna talk to me. Sweet. Alright, let's go back to this. We just got the net, so let's try to make something with the net. I think, I should be able to make sockets, right? Or is sockets a different thing? Ooh, let's see. References, add references, socket. Sock. Yeah, it's probably a net. Okay, so... private static socket. No. Apparently I can't do that. Oh, you know what I've heard to do? I bet it's a thing. Using system.net.socket. Look at that. Look at that. I figured it out, guys. I'm a genius. Oh, I already have a thing there. Socket, awesome, is equal to new socket, and you take, what do you, I mean, I know it has to, but can you tell me what I need to put in there, please? Oh, I probably need to give it a name, huh? It's a sock. Because no one's ever named anything that, right? Oh, here we go. How do I move it now? No, not tab. Control tab. No! No! What do I do? No! I got it to do the thing. Okay, so it's displaying a thing, but now what? Can I click it? Oh! Ha! Ha! Yeah! Yeah! Ha! I'm a genius, man. Alright, we'll just give it a socket type. Because it seems to be a thing that we can do. Sock type. And what else was it? Protocol type. Protocol type TCP, right? Protocol type dot protocol type TCP. Huh. I should look this up. Let's lock a class. Okay, so we'll click this. This one has three parameters, so. Okay, we need a public enum address family. Okay, I know what that means. Not really. And socket type. Oh, socket type dot something. Oh, okay, I get it now. I get it. I gotta do a dot. Socket type. These are static classes. I get it now. Socket type dot stream. Protocol type dot TCP. Right? Am I right? We're right. Ha! I figured something out. And then we'll do address family dot I think I need like IP or something like that, right? Or no, internetwork. That's it. Right, so we have a socket. Awesome. So now we need to call sock dot bind. I would imagine endpoint local EP. Endpoint. How do I make an endpoint? It's an endpoint. Well, I know what an endpoint is, but how do I make an endpoint? Endpoint. There we go. Endpoint class. All right. Can I have an example? No, I can't. I think what we do is we make an endpoint. It's equal to new endpoint. Oh wait, what are you expecting? A network address. Oh. Localhost. Does that work? Does that work? Apparently not. IP address. IP is equal to new IP address, and we'll pass it in. We can click this thingy. I guess I'm gonna have to do it like this. Byte array address is equal to, and we'll have to do this, and we'll have to give it 127.0.0.1. We pass that address. That should work. And look, it worked. Excuse me. Probably not right. Oh, it's an abstract class. I guess that... Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Endpoint dot. No. Endpoint. Equals. No. I will be right back. My doorbell just rang. So, I don't know how to do that. How do I tell everybody I'll be right back? I can go here, and I can go to broadcast alert. We'll be right back. Please stand by. Turn on. Okay, and then I'll be right back. Everybody answer the door. Mormons! Actually, it was not Mormons at all, but I just like saying that. I'm back. Okay. Right then. We're back. And now we're gonna figure out how this freaking socket thing works. I left you guys with my YouTube page, didn't I? Look at that. That's so. This is my This is what I watch apparently. Oh, is this the problem? Let's go. Let's go. Was that the no, it's not the problem. Okay, I'm gonna look up how to use a socket. How to bind socket C#. I mean, yeah, I was just here, wasn't I? We have an example. Okay. An endpoint. Well, that's really helpful. It's not actually helpful at all. Because I went to endpoint and it doesn't really... I go to endpoint. Oh. I bet that's it. I think I just figured it out. Okay, so here is the socket. It equals null. Host entry equals that stuff. IP endpoint. Is that a thing I can do? Let's try. Okay. Let's try this. This is gonna be amazing. Are you guys ready for this? It's gonna work. Equals. We'll do like 5,000, I think, for the port. Then we'll pass in end. Does that work? Ha! It works! Oh my god. So much effort. Anyway, we're actually going to put that stuff into a function real quick. We're going to make a static void. Yeah, a static void bind socket. And it's not going to take any parameters. We can do that, and we're going to just copy this stuff into here. So we're going to cut that stuff into there. And we're going to get rid of. And just for sanity's sake, okay, we're going to do try. Try that, and we're going to catch anything. We're going to catch any error, and we're going to just synth dot speak could not bind port. Yeah, could not bind a port. There we go. Then we'll do yeah, okay. So catch that, and that should, and then if I do break, no, break is for loops. I don't have a return. What I'll do is I'll make a return type. I'll make it return an int. And so it will return one, and then this will return 0. There we go. And then we're going to do up here, we're changing greetings to welcome to the most useless socket implementation ever. There we go. Down below the drawing stuff, or on top of the drawing stuff rather, we're gonna do bind socket. This keyboard is killing me. Alright. And then we're gonna actually, bind try equals, no. Sorry, int bind try is equal to that. And then if bind try is equal to 0, synth dot speak. Yay! So currently we're just binding to sockets and then elsing oh, let's just try to, because it doesn't matter if it's okay. Now we'll save this and we'll try to run it and see what happens. Run it.
Welcome to the most useless socket implementation ever. Yay.
Yay! Yay. Like, yay. That's great. I think though it'll just, so I don't know if that was, let's try this real quick.
Welcome to the most useless socket implementation ever. Yay.
So it binds and then it quits. Okay, so once we bind, we actually can do something. Otherwise, it'll just quit. I I don't know where to go from there. By the way, I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this for. I'm probably going to do it for an hour or two, and then I'm going to go eat food. I might come back later tonight and do more of the streaming stuff. So if I do, I'll let Reddit know, and then, you know, Reddit will know. Speaking of Reddit, let's just check. Yeah, we need to do something with this bind socket. I don't know what we're going to do with it yet, but we're going to do something with this socket. So this is going to be a server for something, okay? We'll make this a server that, like, I don't know, we'll make this a FizzBuzz server, right? So when we send the server a number, it will do FizzBuzz up to and including that number, and send that back to the client. That's what we're going to do. There we go. So we're going to go with all this stuff thrown in. We're going to do... Alright, what we need is... learn that from Barnacles. Returns... Did it work? 0. Else 1. So the summary is this attempts to bind to a port. This must run before anything else, because, you know, stuff. Let's make some more functions. So let's just make a FizzBuzz function really quick. So what we're gonna do is return. Does it return a string? Now that's interesting. Now, how do we give FizzBuzz back? Maybe as a dictionary. You could do a dictionary where it returns the number and then it, like, a string of the number or FizzBuzz or fizz. You know. But that's kind of dumb. We don't want to return a dict. Let's just do a string with new lines for everything. So then it'll just throw it back at the person as one big old string. Ooh, but so to do that, we're gonna have to have we'll have to have a maximum number, because we can only have so many bytes in a stream, as far as I know. Or in the stream buffer, anyway. So I'm thinking maybe FizzBuzz is not a good idea, because what if they send us something? Well, I guess we could say, well, if it's bigger than this, then don't do that. Yeah. So we'll do a whatever. We'll just do a yeah. Okay. So we're gonna make it return a string, and then if it gets too big, we'll say no, don't do that. Alright, so we're going to make this return a string. Oh, wait, no. Static string FizzBuzz. And this will accept one parameter, which will be an integer. Max. Alright, so, and we're going to just... takes an integer and returns a string, which represents the sequence of numbers only FizzBuzzified. Yeah. Alright, so it's going to... So the parameter name is how high would you like the server to go. And it returns It's going to return a fizz buzzified string. Fizz buzzified string. Yeah. All right. So we'll take. We need a string and then output. All right. So that's that. And then we need a take 4i. Oops, no. 4 int I is equal to 0. I know there's a 4 each in this, so I don't know how to use it with an integer. If this were Python, I'd just do 4i in max, or in range max rather. I is less than max. I plus plus, and then and okay. So if I modulo 2 equals 0, and this needs to be in this. And now this is just basic fizzbuzz for now, guys. So if you know how to do this, then okay. Wait, is fizzbuzz 2 or no? It's 3s. Okay, and I'm sorry, 3s and 5s. I'm an idiot. Look at me. Output plus equals convert dot. No, wait. I'm sorry. I dot to string. There we go. Plus. New line. Yeah, I want to give it a new line. There we go. All right. So, output. What is wrong with that? String output equals. There we go. That's why. Duh. Wait, we don't want to do that though. Oops. That's our else clause. I can't even do fizzbuzz right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Can't do fizzbuzz. So what was I doing? We need to output fizz. Okay. Oh wait, this doesn't actually work. I'm an. I can't do this buzz. We'll do this one first, and you know, actually, this works. No, it doesn't. Okay, we have to do. And I modulo 5 is equal to 0. Buzz. Fizz plus 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 new line. Yeah, there we go. Else if oh, that's why it's effed up. I modulo 3 is equal to 0. Fizz. Buzz. Else. plus equals I dot to string. Okay. We need to return now. Return output. Alright, returning output. That's a good permanent, right? Okay, so now we'll just go up to main. Oh no. I gotta make this even more annoying. Shit. Fizz plus buzz. Oh, I'm such a monster. Okay, and then okay. This is gonna be the most annoying program in the history of mankind. Okay, so for now, we'll just go up here and we're just gonna fizz buzz to like 30. No, let's do it to 10. Fizz buzz 10. Alright, we're gonna run this now.
Welcome to the most useless socket implementation ever. Yay. FizzBuzz. 1. 2. Fizz. 4. Buzz. Fizz. 7. 8. Fizz.
Oh my god. That is the most annoying thing ever. Let's, okay. I also want to do using system dot threading, I think. We're now going to do... We're going to do these in different threads, because that way I can just have stuff running all at once, and we just make a new thread, you know? I can remember how to do that. COD Zombie Sniper says, "Hey guys, want to build your channels? If you do, subscribe to me and I will subscribe back. Let me know, you subscribe, so I can subscribe back." Sub for sub? Really? I don't think that exists. I don't think that exists, guys. Sub for sub? No, that don't work. That just ain't right. Okay, so I'm just looking at how to use threads right now. I know this guy used threads. So, here we go. Thread equals new thread, and then new thread start, and then, okay. We're gonna make, so we'll just do a new thread and then have it run FizzBuzz just for the heck of it. What was I doing? There we go. This is the, oh, welcomes the user. Yay! Tries to bind to a socket. That will also be in its own thread. Okay, so this is going to be a region, hashtag region helpers. It's going to go down to the end of FizzBuzz, which is like, holy crap. Hashtag end region, and we're gonna we're gonna make it smaller, and we're gonna do a new region threads because these will be different. So I've been using main. If you've been paying attention, I've been using main as everything. So it just runs everything. But instead of having one function that runs everything, I'll have multiple functions that run different things. That way I can use them as threads. And then we can just use main to start the new thing. So the threads are going to be, we're going to do a bind and static void bind and wait thread. So this one is actually not going to wait right now, but it will later. And this is just going to grab this stuff. Control X. So for now, it's just going to bind. Then we're going to do our FizzBuzz one. Static void FizzBuzz thread. And in this, we're just going to do FizzBuzz. And we're going to do it to like 1,000. So he just continuously talks while we're doing other stuff, because let's just make it as annoying as possible, right? Alright. And that way, if we really want to, we can just stop these threads later. I have to look up how to do that again, but we can do... We can actually do a drawing thread also. That way we can put this region just into drawing. Static void drawing. Call it drawing thread. Dredge capitalize, and we'll just, I don't know if I can I just Control X that and then stick it here? Yes, I can. Awesome. So I don't need to have this region anymore. Now, we don't even have to have these comment. As long as we don't use this code, we're good to go. So we can come back to that later and just draw with it. And we can just go ahead and have these declared. Oh no, we're gonna get terrible, terrible things. Alright, minimize that. I don't think there's anyone watching. There's one person watching. Who is still watching this? Because, Oh, look, someone subscribed. Thank you, Stupendous Rex Bondoc65. It's a hell of a name right there. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot more like this. I'll probably do things that I'm actually comfortable with a lot more, like Python and a little bit of C++ maybe later. But for like today, I just really wanted to try this as a new idea because I've never seen anyone do anything like this specifically. Everyone always just kind of does things that they're comfortable with already, and I figure I'm happy being, you know, that guy who is not comfortable with this stuff but does it anyway. But just to let you know, I'm probably going to stop here in a bit. I do need to go do other stuff for a few hours, and then I'll come back later tonight and do a little bit more, I think. Maybe I'll do some Python stuff then. I'm not sure. But in the meantime, let's finish doing something interesting for now. So we need a thread, and this is going to be the bind thread, and that needs a new thread start, and that's just gonna get bind and wait. Bind and wait. Do I do this? How did he do it? He did it like new thread start, drunk sound thread. Yeah, that's what I did, isn't it? Bind and wait. Equals new. Oh, I'm not even making this at all correctly. new thread, thread start. There we go. Okay. We've made another thread. Thread. Fizz, buzz, thread. So this is going to get kind of confusing, I think. How did he do this? He had drunk mouth thread. Oh, no, he did the same thing, so that's okay. So fizz, buzz, thread equals new thread, and then new thread start, and then fizz, buzz, thread. There we go. And we're going to have our drawing thread. We're not actually going to start our drawing thread. Well, you know what? I'll go ahead and do it. Drawing thread is equal to new thread start. This is kind of lame. Drawing thread. That thing. And that thing. Okay. So, but we're going to go ahead and comment that out because otherwise it won't work. So, let's just start this up. And, ooh, what did it do? What did you do? What did you... I did something. This has to work, okay? It has to work. Let's try it again. Holy crap. What happened? I've never had it be that effed up before. It won't tell me at all what I did wrong. Yeah, I think it's gonna yell at me for a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up here since it's being a bummer. Oh, wait. Okay. Is it working? Alright, so this is... Yeah, so it's spawn fizz buzz. I'll have to look at it later. I will look at this tonight when I get back from whatever I'm doing. That was a really, really weird... Like, yeah, it's still... That's odd. Not helpful at all. Yeah, so... Did I mess something? Thread, blah, blah, blah. You know what I didn't do? I didn't do thread.start. That might be the problem. I didn't actually start it. I didn't actually start the... it's probably yelling at me because I didn't use them or something. Bind thread dot start. And then fizz buzz. No, wait. Dot start. And then maybe that will work. Nope. Yep. Nope. Nope. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like it at all. Just does not like that. Let's try commenting that stuff out. Oh, okay. Let's also comment out this drawing thread, and now it should work just fine. Oh, wait, okay. Duh. Okay. 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 Start.
Welcome to the
Yes,
most
it's
useless
working now.
socket implementation ever. Yay. Fizzbuzz. 1. 2. Fizz. 4. Buzz.
I should just leave
Fizz.
this to go on.
7. 8. Fizz. Buzz. 11. Fizz. 13. 14. Fizzbuzz. 16.
Fizzbuzz.
17.
Okay, yep, we're gonna go
Fizz.
ahead and go. I'm
19.
gonna end this for now. I'll be back
Buzz.
later.
Fizz.
I don't know how to...
22.
Let's see.
23. Fizz.
I bet I can
Buzz.
tell you
26.
guys that I'm leaving.
Fizz.
Let's see.
28. 29. Fizzbuzz. 31. 32. Fizz.
How do I
34.
end? Okay, I can just
Buzz.
stop streaming.
Fizz.
Alright,
37.
I'm going to stop streaming now. I think this will
38.
work. Well, my
Buzz.
computer just counts in the background.
41.
Fizzbuzz.
Fizz.
So yeah, I will be back
43.
later. I will try to do
44.
something more interesting than this. This hasn't been
Fizzbuzz.
all that interesting, I know.
46.
I was mostly getting used to Visual
47.
Studio. I've used Visual Studio before in the past,
Fizz.
like I've said, but it's
49.
not something I'm very comfortable
Buzz.
with. Tonight,
Fizz.
I'll come back. I'll try to make
52.
this do something more interesting.
53.
I'll make it into an actual Fizzbuzz server. How
Fizz.
about that? Instead of like
Buzz.
what I just did.
56.
And in the meantime, though,
Fizz.
I will see you guys
58.
later.
59.